Hey, so quick small update on the sunroof install I did. Last night we got some thunder, a bunch of rain, and I came out this morning and I had a bunch of water inside my car right here. And it was from this drain tube. I haven't hooked up my drain tube lines yet. I didn't think nothing of it. So what I did, just real quick, took a big ass drill bit, drilled a hole right through there. Hold on, let me turn on the light. And forced the tube down through there. It came down through that channel, and it's right there. How the fuck did I just feel water right there? Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I gotta investigate further. I got water coming in from this quarter window channel. And I need to seal that up right there. So where's that coming from? Once I seal all this shit up, it'll be better. But I got my drain tube installed. I gotta do these ones, hook this one up, but yeah, once I seal this whole roof up, finish doing the body work on this shit, I'll do another water test. But I just wanted to show you quickly, got the little drain tube installed and how to do it. Just big ass drill bit. Put your tubes in, drill a hole, and then run it through. Yeah. Once I get all my body work done, I'm going to do another leak test because this is driving me crazy.